Tracy's down. Wow. Okay. Good. Get the wire in and then one underneath with the.
Today is Father's Day, June 16th. We're doing a hive inspection on Theron and Alyssa's hives today. The process of smoke in the hives. The goal today is we're going to take a look at the top deep body and see if they still haven't drawn out the 2 outer combs, and we're going to move them in, look for evidence of the queen, and then see how far they are into the upper super.
Okay.
Underneath again.
So we're going to smoke the hive a little bit.
Then you take it. Then I'm gonna open to the top. Now here. Set this over here. Can I have the
What are you looking
smoker?
for? Tim, what are you looking for?
Smoker. We're gonna smoke the hole. Trace any bees down.
And straight.
I'm gonna scrape off all these dead bees down the center of the hive.
Go ahead and take your lid off. You're going to need, probably crack it. Was that what you were looking for?
Hive tool away. Use both hands on the lid.
Can I have the smoker, please?
No, you're good. Use both hands on the lid.
Stop.
A little less bouncing.
It keeps on going back.
Set it with the other one.
You're hitting the back button, sweetie. There's a back button over here.
Then can I have the side frame holders?
Looks like they've been doing a lot of comb building, huh?
Yeah. These two. So I missed one. And then I'm gonna start opening up the hive. They have it down. And I'm gonna try and lift it. Excuse me, Miss B. I missed my drawing. Come on, Missy. Come on. We're really starting to work on it.
You starting to draw out any comb?
Not really.
Not really.
See the back side? No, not yet. Go ahead and set that way in the frame. Gently. Don't ever drop it, okay? It's better for you to get stung by one bee on your finger than it is for the whole hive to go after you because you dropped it.
We're really building on the outside.
Oh, yep, they're starting to build out on that side.
All right.
There's a lot more bees on this one.
They've got pollen in there, and they've got definitely nectar up on the top. It's kind of hard to see if the queen's been up here yet.
The nectar towards the top of that one too.
Now, when you get a little closer, Alyssa. And I'm going to see if there's any eggs in the bottom of these. I'm not seeing any. I'm seeing just a lot of nectar.
So the queen hasn't been up in these 3 frames.
No.
No?
Fine.
You can see the drone comb or drones coming in and out of the hive.
Hopefully we'll catch a shot of me holding a drone.
You got a good hand grip on that?
Yep. This one's starting to get heavy.
Yeah, there's a lot of drawn comb out.
Any
A lot of
drones?
nectar.
Sorry.
Sorry, Missy.
Would you like a hive tool, Tim?
Yeah, one of my favorite.
And on this side. Whoa, we definitely have some liquid pollen.
Oh.
Sorry, Miss B. Running along my hand.
So they've drawn out,
Hey, I have a bee on my sleeve.
it looks like they've drawn out all except for the
Want me to give her
last
off to you?
2.
She's still on.
She's fine. She's fine.
They've started to. They're not fully drawn out.
Come here, Miss B. You don't want to be all over the shoulder.
It's okay. Theron, just go back to doing your stuff. She'll move.
Come on, Miss B. Do it look good or something? Just keep going. Just keep going. Thank you.
Got that one pretty good, Theron?
Yep.
Remember, stay over the hive.
Please stay over the hive, yep.
There you go. Here. Alright. Set one edge down. And then, here, I got it.
No queen. I don't see any eggs or larvae. Definitely is pollen.
You're starting to fill it with nectar, I think, too. So some glossy
Nectar.
stuff in there.
Then on this side, same
Yeah,
thing.
hold that one out a second. Let's look down.
Can I look down?
Mm-hmm.
Take a picture of that. Okay, let's see that. I'm gonna go ahead and set this back in. Hopefully these are not really glued out. Excuse me, missies. This one's definitely getting heavier.
It's got drawn out and lots of good nectar and stuff in there.
It's starting to draw out on the bottom. And on the other side,
Is there stuff for me to scrape on the bottom or no?
No.
Not that much.
They might be capping some of that thing.
I'm thinking we should add the second super before we go to camp.
Now, or should I just put them on real quick on Thursday morning?
We can
or
do it
something?
now. We can do it after the inspection here.
So we're going to put on my second hive buddy after this inspection.
Your second super.
Second super.
Hive buddy. Mommy,
Sorry,
we're not going to put a second super
It
on.
might, if it needs to. Please don't put your hands below your...
Hey, listen, probably you'll get it to some more honey. Probably.
They're building there.
Hey, what is that? And there's a bee coming out.
No, there's no
What is
drawn
this?
in there.
That's
Okay,
a
flip
butt.
it.
It's a butt. Right there.
Yeah, they've got his head in there. He's eating nectar.
Is it a drone?
No.
I'm sorry.
I don't really see any drones actually.
This is a drone.
There you go.
That I just touched
Dad,
him.
take this. What?
Very good there.
Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers move. Let go. Thank you. Excuse me, ladies.
Ladies. Babies of harmony. These are our friends. And we're your friends. Who's willing to hold about 10 bees? Me. Seriously, Liz?
Set that up in there. You let up, Dan, on there.
Yeah, I apologize for anyone who's going to watch these videos. Not a camera person.
Alright, do we need to see the last ones?
No, I think we can move this frame body off, or hive body off, and go into the... Now we're running 9 frame supers, so there's going to be a little bit of a gap when we're all said and done. They're fairly docile if you want to come over.
Thank you. And using the kind of camera person.
Hold on.
Hold on. We're going to prep an area to put the hive body down on. Some people put it on top of the inner cover just so that it's guaranteed no bees are going to fall out.
Like the queen?
Yeah, get there.
Yeah, you mean. Okay, we got the queen leveled up.
Alright.
Go ahead and grab it. Ooh. There's definitely a lot more activity.
Are you going to smoke it?
Yeah.
Here, the smoke's going that way.
I can see that they're all.
And definitely, we have some capped honey in this one. We'll get it better when we pull them out here. But we're looking for evidence of the queen.
Frame hangers?
Daddy, can I see? Wait, that was going to take off.
In the next couple months here, we'll do an actual full inspection where we'll look for any disease, or we're going to remove any burr comb as we find it.
There's some honey in there. What happens when I get actual honey? Is honey not capped or capped?
No, when it's to the right water level, they cap it.
Sorry, Miss. There's definitely some build out on this thing.
All right. When we get this out, show. We should.
I got it. What?
It's okay.
Eat some honey on this thing.
Ooh.
Let's see, this one's... We're starting to build this side a little. Okay.
Yep. They're starting.
Next to nothing on that. So,
Yeah.
you know what? They are starting now. There's some spots that look like they're starting to build through.
Well, that's good.
So.
The next one. Here. Yeah, this one has some capped honey. I can tell that.
We can show Eric since Eric's standing back there.
And this one, man, is this one heavy.
Yep, they're gonna all start getting heavier.
Ah.
Now.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just gonna set this corner down. Get a better.
Now I'm looking for evidence of the queen. Back up.
I do not see any eggs. Or larvae. There definitely is capped honey on there, so.
Okay, go ahead and turn it over.
Not this yet.
If it starts getting too heavy, Theron, just
say something, Dave.
Just say something.
Can I stick my finger in that?
No.
No.
Why?
Because you're doing the hive inspection.
Can I?
Now, I see a whole lot of pollen.
No, because you're doing pretty.
And I see nectar, but I don't see queen. Any honey.
Yeah, nectar. We got capped honey on top here, right?
Yep, that's all capped honey.
I didn't see any eggs or anything in there.
There,
Go ahead and
no.
lift it up and set it back in. And don't set it flat on the thing like that next
Because you
time.
got bees on the other side there.
Yeah. You always want to set it on a corner or something like that. That way you have the least amount of bees touching it. Okay.
Cool.
Got a good grip on it. Now we've got capped brood, it looks like, on this side. Are you sure you've got it okay, Theron?
Yep.
Side of it is capped brood, yeah.
We've got new eggs on this
Try
side.
not to hit the thing and pay attention to where the video is.
Sorry. We've got new eggs down here in the corner.
Capped honey up on the top right over here.
Yep.
And then capped honey all on top. That's
They're
good.
eating some of it. And on this side, there's a way bunch of capped honey.
Capped brood.
Yep, brood and capped honey.
Got some drone cells
We
down
got
there.
our nice
Where?
curve pattern here.
Yep.
Rainbow.
Alright, so did see some eggs.
Doing. Doing.
No, we're not doing that right now. Okay, can we move to the next
Not
one?
lean on the, please.
Okay, the next one's probably going to be too heavy.
What? Oh, he dropped it.
It's okay. You can drop it very far.
So that's it?
Nope.
No. We're gonna.
Come on, move.
There.
Wiggle them off.
Move.
Thank you.
Daddy's gonna lift it up.
I'm fine.
Trying to help.
Yeah, it's
Did
okay.
I ask you to help?
Capped honey. Capped honey, they have the ring formation.
They're starting to put a lot of nectar in these.
Should I get the bottom?
No, we've got
Drone
some
cells.
larvae. We got
We have drone
occasional
cells.
eggs.
We have drone cells.
As Theron points out, the drone cells are these larger ones here. These are drone cells. And then what's this? This is called a queen cell right here on the end. There's no larvae in there,
Do we
but
smash it?
no, we're not going to smash it. It's kind of like a plan B for the bees. But there are a lot of eggs in through here, so that's good. There's some new larvae, a lot more eggs up through here. I'm not seeing the queen though.
No, we'll leave it for right now.
Want that off or no?
That is up to you if you want to take that off.
Me? Yeah, you take it off.
Got a bee in there thing. If you hold it.
Okay.
Okay.
Pop that in. There's definitely going to be a lot of capped honey and a lot of capped brood in these.
Well, and these are for the bees. These aren't for our honey. We've got a lot of propolis going.
Capped honey, a
lot of freshly hatched brood. This whole center area
up?
last week was all covered, and now it's not.
Listen, don't
We
just
have
tap
some-
the shutter.
There are-
Is this a queen cell right here?
There are a lot
Hold on to it.
of
Give it a sec till it
It's a
beeps.
It's a queen
and then
cup.
let go.
called queen cups, but there are
There you
a
go.
lot of eggs in through here that I'm seeing. I'm not seeing the queen, but she was here within the last 3 days. The eggs are all through here. Okay. Flip it to the other side. A lot more
activity.
A lot more bees on this side.
Some cat brood.
And cat brood, but recent hatching of almost all of these. We got some brood over here.
Careful where you're sticking your arm.
Our budding
Careful,
photographer.
there's two bees on there. Don't.
Theron, they're fine.
Do we need to see more, or have we seen enough?
I've seen enough eggs to know that the queen's still in here, so we're okay. We can close up the hive if you want.
Okay.
Mommy, are they finished? Sorry,
Where?
Miss Bee. You don't need to flap your wings at me.
I don't want them to get inside.
Come here, Mr. Drone.
Where is he?
Daddy's legs.
No.
Wait, then. Try to find the one around thing. No!
We're going to move the one down. Because that one definitely has some cap honey. We have cap honey in the supper. Definitely don't have cap honey in the back.
Yeah, we're not going to go down any further.
We're not going any further there. Very good. Okay, back up, guys.
Let's find a drone.
There you go.
Let's be.
Propolis makes everything sticky.
Back up. Move.
We made them angry.
Okay, this concludes the inspection on Theron's hive. Just gonna get the rest of the ladies in their hive here.
Come on.
So putting on the lid. Those that are on the top will become sacrificial bees. All right.